What's up guys, this is Hardik here, and today I have a Bluetooth speaker for you guys, and it's from Eyeball and it's called Little Bomb. So as you can see, the name suggests it's the Little Bomb, and it actually comes in a very little package. As you can see, this is the box you get, and inside the box you have the manuals and the place where you have to keep your speaker. So that's this. You just have to keep it over here like this and keep it aside, and this is just some information about the product, and then this is the manual. So it's from Eyeball and it's this big, and inside the box below the manual you get is first the auxiliary cord. So this is the auxiliary cord, as you can see, and the second thing you get is a USB cable, and the USB cable is pretty different from the normal USB cable, because this, you can see the connector is kind of big, and I tried connecting the speaker with another USB but it doesn't work, so I suggest use this USB only. And as you can see, the both wires are pretty small, just to fit it in the box. Now we go to the speaker, and as you can see, it's a tiny little speaker. It just fits in my hand like this, but it worked pretty good. As you can see, the name suggests it's a Little Bomb. The functionality is you get the 4 buttons over here. This one is the power button, this is the Bluetooth and to take calls, as you can see, and the next track and the previous track. So I'll just power this on. To power on, you just have to click on the power button, and then you can see the 2 lights will blink,
Bluetooth,
and it says Bluetooth. So after you see these 2 lights blinking, it means the speaker is now in function, and now you have to connect it to your mobile device. So you can see the 2 lights are blinking. So let me just turn on my Bluetooth real quick. As I have already connected it on my Nexus 5, I won't be doing it again.
connected,
But it says connected, and the connection is pretty simple. You just have to pair it with the speaker and all done. And after connection, you can see that the only blue light is on now, and it's not even blinking. Alright, so I'll just test the quality and just show you how good, how loud the speakers are in this price range. So yeah, it's like $12, and it is like 763 Indian rupees. So it's pretty good in this price point. So I'll just show you the quality of the speaker real quick. I'll just play a song. We'll play this. Just pause it, and I'll just show you the quality of my phone mobile device now. And if I'll just disconnect this,
disconnected,
it says disconnected. Alright, and I'll play this music on my mobile device, and I'll just show you how good the quality is on the Bluetooth speaker. So here we go. Just play this from the beginning. So now we have seen that the quality of this speaker is pretty good. So yeah, I'll suggest many people to buy this, and it's worth the price. It's just $12 and 763 INR, that is Indian rupees. So yeah, I'll suggest many people to buy this, and you also get this with inside the box, so that you can hang it or somewhere, and just leave it and connect it to your Bluetooth device and play a song. So yeah, that's about it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.